Eat, but don't make this mistake. What happens when you eat garlic and how to eat it correctly? Garlic has been consumed by millions of people worldwide, yet many make common mistakes when using it. In this guide, we'll uncover the proper ways to eat garlic, its health benefits, and the ailments it can help treat. You'll also discover the best time to eat garlic, how it can improve your health, and even its potential to aid in conditions like prostate diseases, colds, and impotence. Why garlic? Garlic is a superfood packed with nutrients such as phosphorus, zinc, potassium, niacin, thiamine, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It contains allicin, a compound responsible for many of its health benefits, including its ability to reduce cholesterol, fight inflammation, and act as an antioxidant. How to eat garlic correctly. To maximize garlic's benefits, follow these tips. Raw garlic with honey. Divide a clove into 3 to 4 pieces. Place them on a spoon and add a few drops of honey. Let it sit for 2 minutes before consuming. If the aroma is too strong, drink warm water afterward. Garlic and honey mixture. Chop 10 cloves of garlic and mix with 5 tablespoons of honey. Store in an airtight container for daily use. Tip: avoid heating garlic above 60 degrees Celsius 140 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve its allicin content. Add it to dishes after cooking to retain its benefits. Health benefits of garlic. 1. Heart health. Garlic improves cardiovascular health by reducing harmful cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and preventing blood clots. 2. Immunity boost. Garlic strengthens the immune system by protecting cells from free radicals and enhancing DNA repair. The zinc and vitamin C in garlic help fight infections and inflammation. 3. Mental health. Its antioxidant properties protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It also increases blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function. 4. Diabetes management. Raw garlic can reduce blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. 5. Weight loss. Garlic helps in weight management by inhibiting fat cell formation and boosting metabolism. It also reduces harmful LDL cholesterol. 6. Skin and hair health. Garlic combats acne-causing bacteria and promotes clear skin. It is also used in hair products to prevent hair loss and stimulate growth. 7. Liver and kidney health. Garlic's antioxidants protect against fatty liver disease and improve kidney function. It also helps fight urinary tract infections by eliminating harmful bacteria. 8. Reproductive health. Garlic stimulates blood circulation, improving reproductive health in men and women. It enhances sperm quality and overall vitality. 9. Bone health. It supports calcium and iron absorption, improving bone density and preventing damage from heavy metals. Specific conditions. Cold and sore throat. Garlic's antimicrobial properties can alleviate symptoms. Impotence in men, and regular consumption improves circulation and reproductive health. Eye and ear health. Garlic aids in treating infections and wounds, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Lead poisoning. Garlic has been proven effective in reducing lead levels in the blood, making it a safe remedy for occupational hazards. Raw versus cooked garlic. Research suggests raw garlic is more potent than cooked garlic. Heating it reduces allicin content, which diminishes its health benefits. If you prefer cooked garlic, ensure it is added after cooking or not heated above 60 degrees Celsius. Final thoughts. Garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients and offers numerous health benefits, from boosting immunity and improving heart health to aiding weight loss and reproductive health. Incorporate it into your daily routine for better mental and physical well-being. Feel free to share this information with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more health tips.